All right, welcome back. My name is Keith.
And I'm Delia, and this is Sushi and Popcorn and
Delicious drama. This is delicious drama. So today we have 17 Fear. Yeah, she's giddy. I don't know if you've heard this one.
I haven't, but it's burning. Come on, stop playing with me.
All right, so yeah, let's just jump right into it. 넌 내게 옆을 지워야 돼 poison I know I can't take it no more 영원한 절대부터 걸 알면서도 끊을 수도 없어 Tell me where you are 너에게 내가 주셨던 마음이 날 오히려 더 사진이고 Yeah, 나는 위험해 너무 지독해 보다 날카로운 진실이 중요해 I got to get away, can't hesitate anymore Everything turns gray 난 내 환상고 눈에도 많고 비워져가기 전에 got to get away 우리는 깨지 못해 또 거짓말해 내게 아파 정말 듣고 있어 Please babe 너 내게서 물러서 해 서로 상대로 shut up 내게 옆을 지워야 돼 poison I know I can't take it no more You getting that slow grind?
Can you hot here?
No, not really. It's just you. You about to do the Nas pass out? Somebody in the back fighting for life.
Right.
The way they play with the color palette is so ridiculous on here. Like that one scene when the dude had the blood on his face, but you didn't see it because the entire thing was bled with red. And then when they changed it to yellow, you saw that he had a blood streak on his face.
I didn't peep that.
Hold on.
Okay.
It was toward the end. I could just run back real quick around you. You know what I mean? We can see real quick. You know what I mean?
I was so stuck on.
There it is. Actually, that was actually really good.
When Vernon was doing his little.
Yeah. But you see how like you didn't even notice it because the whole screen was blood red?
Yeah, they were playing with these colors.
Yeah, they was fucking around.
Sorry, was you saying yeah? Like, don't do that.
No, I was singing the song, yeah.
Don't do that.
What
Vernon. He's being disrespectful at this point. So, I'm a
says the person who was oogling 10.
It don't matter. It don't matter. I'm still not going to disrespect Vernon. Don't do that. Woo! They look so fucking good in those suits. Like, they really, like...
What's the saying? The visuals be vigilant?
Oh, my God. And you know what? And not to take nothing away from them, men, period. When y'all get in y'all suits, it's different than, when you have your little ball cap on and you got your
skates. Totally different vibe.
Hi, Vernon.
Focus.
Oh, yeah. So it's different when you get in your suit. you're cleaned up.
Yeah.
That's visuals be visual. You know what I mean? So yeah, this gotta go. What's the song called again?
Fear.
Okay, this gotta go on the track list. Yes. Who is he? I really
who, him?
Like, no, it was another one. I gotta learn the name. There's how many people in this group?
A
I
lot.
think we had this conversation.
Like
before.
13.
Okay. I gotta learn their names, yo.
Yeah, don't even quote me. I know a few. Actually, I know like 3. Scoops or
Yeah,
S
right there.
S
Okay.
Scoops. Yeah,
Okay.
Scoops. He's the leader.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And then my guy Woozy, which is the shortest one of the group.
He's the one with the blonde hair.
Not in this one.
He's
In
the short one because I remember he had blonde hair before, right?
in Hot, he had the blonde hair with the bleached eyebrows and the gun.
Okay. Okay, I'm with you.
But in this one, I think he has dark hair.
Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. All right, let me see. Look at that. Can't go. Hey, hold on. Hey, Vernon, do that. Okay, so love it. That jacket is all of that.
Oh yeah, the cherry blossom jacket.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God. All right.
And the set pieces are always dope. The
Yes.
filmography is always crazy. You know what I mean? The way they paint pictures with scenes is always amazing. I mean, but that goes without saying. And we're hard pressed to find any video at this point in time that's not clean and super sharp and very well put together. And there are a few that come to mind.
I just don't want to get on that point where we're watching videos and you're sounding redundant.
Right.
For each video, like,
Like, oh, that was fire. Next video, oh, that was fire. Oh, next video, oh, that was fire.
Yeah, like,
I found myself doing it because I always open up, that was dope. And then I'm like, you got to stop saying that, bro.
yeah, because but it's hard when it's some dope ass fucking content in front of you. I mean, it would be different. I'd be like, yo, that shit was trash.
Right.
That
Then the
shit
first time you say something different, it's like,
right.
like this was ass.
Yeah.
What?
What is going on?
Oh my God.
You know, so, and it's not that I can't help that I like the songs.
No.
You can understand why they have such a mega hit of, you know what I mean?
A litany of hits.
Yes. And no, not only that, why they have fans.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So, all right. Thank you guys for tuning in to Sushi and Pop. Hey, Vernon.
Bro, you focus.
It's Vernon. Hush, wait for his part to go. Oh my God. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in.
You see what I have to deal with?
Thank you for tuning
You see what I have to work with?
with Sushi and Popcorn and delicious drama. You guys be safe out there. Out there. Be safe.
Like, comment, subscribe, road to 5K, turn on your notifications so you can be notified whenever we drop something new, like a 17 video. And
He looks like an angel. I gotta know his name too. You can't go wrong with none of these guys. I'm so sorry, it's not for you, but I mean, for females.
Yeah, it's
you
definitely
can't-
not for me.
You can't go wrong with a hey you. Like, oh,
however, I will say I can understand.
right. Wait till I get the girls on. They gonna be like, ah! You think you're going through it now?
God.
Woo! All right,
I
y'all.
can't imagine Dom in here.
Shit.
She'd lose her goddamn mind.
Yo. All right, we out. Thank you for tuning in. Be safe out here. We'll see you Tuesday or Thursday, whichever day comes first. Don't forget, On the Road 2005. See y'all soon.